Multiple tornadoes and large paths of impressive straight-line wind damage. Sunday, November 5th will be remembered as the biggest severe weather outbreak of 2017. The most significant touchdown in Mercer County, moving through the town of Salina. You can see the funnel forming here. Widespread damage happened across town and 8 people were injured. Several businesses and structures had debris thrown about from the EF2 twister. Winds were up to 135 miles per hour. Other EF1 tornadoes in western Ohio were in South Vienna and St. Anthony. These twisters produced winds near 100 miles per hour. They also touched down in Castalia and nearby in Sandusky County. A roof was ripped off a home. Luckily, there were no injuries. Weak tornadoes also touched down in Ashland County near Hayesville and just to the east in Worcester. The last confirmed tornado happened around 7:30 p.m. in Calcutta. This was the first tornado in southeastern Columbiana County since 1950. Much of the storm damage was caused by straight-line winds. There was a widespread area of debris caused by the severe winds from LaGrange to Strongsville, Brecksville, Twinsburg, and well into Geauga and Ashtabula counties. Driving around today, you probably saw many branches down, but also some decent-sized trees. This is a big, big boy. All the roots uprooted. A huge hole left in the ground here. This is in North Royalton, just one of many examples of some of the large damage from that very destructive downburst of winds. Winds gusting 60, upwards of over 100 miles an hour in some spots. Chainsaws were a common sight and sound around the area. Many trees were down, or at least some big branches. Backyards turned into jungles and roofs became new canopies. Many trees landed on cars and houses. Some even went right through them. The storms knocked out power for several thousand. First Energy and other power companies were very busy restoring electricity to the hard-hit neighborhoods. There was still several roads closed, leading to longer commutes. Geauga County had widespread tree damage with many power lines coming down. One of the hardest hit areas was southeast Ashtabula County, around Williamsfield. Several homes suffered severe damage due to 125 mile per hour winds from a macro burst. It's a very powerful blast of air coming down from the thunderstorm. It hit the ground and spread out. It was worse than a weak tornado. Things should get back to normal in the next few days with a much more quiet weather pattern ahead. For NeoWeather, I'm Brian Ivy.